I have good news for you. Sorting out is resuming for the year. We give all praise and glory to God. Abuja sorting out. Now, many of you listening to me have people in Abuja. Why don't you tell them not to miss this opportunity? Sorting out affords them the opportunity of supernatural encounter with God for transformation, for deliverance, for healing, for blessings. So tell them, 11th, they should register quickly and fill their forms. The next week, 18th to 20th of February, will be Lagos General Sorting Out, or regular sorting out, I call it. 18th to 20th of February. Then Kaduna, 25th to 27th of February. Kaduna, 25th to 27th of February. And then the Lagos Youth Sorting Out will be the 11th to 13th of March. Take note of these dates. They are on the Sorting Out website. You can send information to people in Lagos, people around Kaduna, people in Abuja. We're doing it. So what about the insecurity? We have been able to surmount that by the grace of God. We do our sorting out from the center of the town. And the good news is that God is winning the battle. And let me tell you one thing. We have decided this year, those who fill their forms ahead will have their reports prepared ahead and have the ministers attached to them ahead of the meeting. Those who feel late, we might be able to attend to them after the meeting, maybe virtually. But those who fill their form early and they submit it a week to the time, surely I can assure you that we'll get their reports and God will be glorified.